Wolf just launched an $18,000 48-inch induction range, and it's completely different from their older 30 and 36-inch models and any other 48-inch induction range. If you're replacing a pro-style range, renovating, or building new, this one deserves a serious look. In this video, we'll cover what's new and completely different, what it doesn't have compared to the competition like BlueStar, Fisher Paykel, Miele, and SKS, and the one installation detail you must know whether you're replacing, renovating, or building a new house. You'll like the layout. You've got 7 induction zones like a Fisher Paykel or BlueStar 48-inch stove, including 2 bridge zones that actually fit a griddle or odd-sized pan. Largest zone boosts up to 5,500 watts. Most induction ranges top out at 3,700, which is still faster than a 25,000 BTU gas burner. So this one cooks fast. And unlike the older models, the knobs now control the burners, and we're tapping glass controls in the top of the range. Feels more familiar, and it's much simpler to use. The controls in this range are a big step forward. You get a 7-inch touchscreen display that's easy to navigate. It clearly shows all your cooking modes. What makes the range different from its competitors is Wolf Gourmet's intuitive cooking. Just tell where you're cooking. Say roast chicken, figures out the temperature, time, even which rack to use. It's not just a touchscreen for the sake of tech. It actually helps you cook better without having to guess. The main oven is a standalone 6.3 cubic foot, one of the largest you'll find in any 48-inch range, gas or electric. Along with size, you get Wolf's dual vent VertiFlow convection system, 2 fans and extended elements that keep the temperature consistent from top to bottom and side by side. It can bake cookies on 3 racks and get the same coloring texture across all of them. So you're getting both capacity and one of the most consistent ovens available. Second oven is smaller, that's still useful. Unlike some, it's convection, not just radiant, so it's great for baking smaller dishes or prepping sides. It shares the same core performance as the main oven, just without the Wolf Gourmet or the VertiFlow. It's a great combination, versatile cooktop, intuitive controls, and a convection oven that cooks properly, but it doesn't include every feature. There are 3 main features this Wolf doesn't offer. First, no steam assist, a feature you'll find in Miele and SKS smaller 30 and 36-inch ranges. Steam is especially valuable in an electric oven because it adds moisture to the food while cooking, whereas an electric oven is known for drier heat. So whether you're baking bread, moisture helps lock in flavor and texture. Wolf skips steam assist here. Secondly, well, you get the iconic red knobs. You now have 4 knob styles and 2 additional finishes, white or black. That's far fewer options than a BlueStar, which offers 1,000 color choices. So customization is a priority. You may want to look elsewhere. Lastly, BlueStar is more powerful than Wolf with a 7,400 watt burner. That will boil a gallon of water in about 3 minutes. Then again, Wolf is still powerful at 5,500 watts. But here's the most important thing to know before you buy. This range draws more power than any residential range I've ever seen. I've been at Yale for almost 40 years. Most 48-inch induction ranges, BlueStar, Fisher Paykel, all of them run on a single 50-amp circuit. Wolf requires 2 50-amp circuits. It's 100 amps total. So if you're replacing an older range, upgrade your electrical service. If you're renovating, plan for it early. If you're building a new home, make sure your electrician accounts for it during the rough. And at $18,000, this is a serious range. Wolf has done something different here. You get a cooktop that's fast, flexible, and thoroughly laid out. Intuitive controls like Wolf Gourmet that actually helps you cook. One of the largest, most consistent ovens in a 48-inch range. And a useful second oven, not just a warming drawer or just a basic oven. You do give up steam assist, rod customization. If you care about more performance and color choices, this one is one of the best 48-inch ranges on the market, gas or electric. You come see it in any one of our showrooms. We'll help you plan the electrical and install it so you get it right the first time. If you want to see how this range compares to other 48-inch induction ranges, click here, and thanks for watching.